Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to become math detectives. A detective observes carefully, collects clues, and solves mysteries. In mathematics, we also collect clues called data. Have you ever wondered which fruit is the most popular in a class? Which game do students like the most? How many children come to school by bus? To answer these questions, we collect information. This information is called data. Today we will learn how to collect data and show it using pictures and graphs. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and create your own pictographs. What do you think a detective does? Suppose I ask, what is your favorite subject? Each student gives one answer. We write everyone's answers down. This is called collecting data. There are three important steps. Step 1. Ask a clear question. Collect everyone's answers. And third step is organize the answers neatly. Without collecting data, we cannot make graphs or pictographs. What is your favorite subject? Now imagine everyone speaks at the same time. Would it be easy to count? No. So we organize the data into a table. Tables arrange information into rows and columns. This makes it easy to count and compare. For example, maths 10 students, English 8 students, science 12 students. Now we can immediately see which subject is liked the most. So which subject has the highest number? Naturally, it's science. Now imagine everyone speaks at the same time. Would it be easy to count? No. So we organize the data into a table. Tables arrange information into rows and columns. This makes it easy to count and compare. For example, math 10 students, English 8 students, science 12 students. Now we can immediately see which subject is liked the most. So here we can see science is liked by 12 students. Instead of writing only numbers, we can use pictures. This is called a pictograph. Each picture represents a number. For example, one apple is representing one student. If we see four apples, it means four students. But remember, before counting pictures, always check the key. The key tells us what one picture represents. What do you think pictures are easier than only numbers? Sometimes the numbers are very large. Imagine there are 100 toys. Drawing 100 toy pictures would take too much time. So we use a scale. For example, one teddy bear is equal to 5 toys. Now, one teddy is equal to 5 toys. Two teddy bears is equal to 10 toys. Three teddy bears is equal to 15 toys. Using a scale saves time and keeps the pictograph neat. If one picture means 10 books, what do 4 picture represents? Now we become detectives. Look carefully at the pictograph. We can answer many questions. Which day has the most symbols? Which day has the least? How many symbols are there in the total? What is the difference between Monday and Tuesday? This is why pictographs are useful. They help us compare information quickly. We have learned pictographs. Now let's learn another way to show data. This is called a bar graph. Instead of pictures, we use bars. A taller bar means a larger number. A shorter bar means a smaller number. Bar graphs are very easy to compare because our eyes can quickly see which bar is the tallest. Which is easier to compare, pictures or bars? When reading a bar graph, Follow 4 simple rules. First, read the title. It tells us what the graph is about. Second, look at the labels. What do the bars represent? Third, compare the heights. Which bar is tallest? Which is shortest? Finally, find the difference between two bars. If you follow these 4 steps, reading any graph becomes easy. Graphs are not only used in mathematics, they are used everywhere. Look at this example. A school collected data about food wasted every day. After looking at the graph, the school realized too much food was being wasted. Then they planned ways to reduce wastage. So data helps us make better decisions. Doctors, teachers, scientists, shopkeepers, and even sports coaches use data every day. Can you think of another place where data is used? Today we learned that every graph starts with a question. First we ask a question, then we collect data. After that we organize it. Next we draw a pictograph or a bar graph. Finally we compare the information and draw conclusions. You have now learned how to read data like real mathematicians. Congratulations, you are now math detectives.